guys, so it's me, Kiani. Today's video, I'm back with another hair tutorial. Today, I actually had the best day one hair. Typically, I would leave my house right now, but because we're on quarantine day number, I don't know what, I was like, this bomb day one hair cannot be wasted. So I decided I would just, you know what, turn on camera and share them with you guys. If nothing else, when I do a playback, I don't know which one of these hairstyles I'm really going to leave my house with after quarantine day. But for now, honey, I'm just gonna be stunting around the house. I mean, I got my little workout gear on. I'm getting ready for some Zumba. And yes, I'm going to ruin my hair all over again. But at least I would have recorded it and you get a chance to see the hairstyles I've been rocking during this quarantine season. But for real, I'm ready to come into the out now. Let's just go ahead